Before servicing, turn off flow to sensor and drain flow body. Turn the bubble trap knob until the notch lines up with the unlocked padlock symbol. Using the tabs, gently pry the cover from the flow body. Using a cleaning cloth, remove all debris from the inside of the bubble trap pocket. Install the new O-ring into the groove of the new bubble trap cover, slightly stretching it to fit around the cover. Ensure the O-ring is fully seated. Using water, lightly wet the O-ring. This will help to ease installation into the bubble trap pocket. To install, tip the bottom of the cover into the pocket. Make sure the metal pin seats into the cover. Once seated, gently tip the rest of the cover into place. Once the cover is seated against the knob, rotate the knob clockwise to the locked position.